In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix game chat on Hell Let Loose. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna go over the process of fixing voice chat in Hell Let Loose and what to do if you are suddenly disconnected or if it is not working to begin with. So usually, if it was working previously and then it just stopped working, one of the simplest ways to fix this is to just pause the game, go over to the settings, and then switch over to the audio category. When you switch over to audio, you will find the microphone level option at the bottom, including the option to reconnect right alongside the status. So all that you have to do in there is disconnect, give it some seconds, don't instantly connect again, and after you are disconnected, like I said, just click connect once more. This should instantly fix voice chat, and as long as your microphone was working previously, it's still being detected by Windows, it is going to work. If this still doesn't work, or like I said in the beginning of the video, if it wasn't working to begin with ever since you installed the game, if you are on PC, what I would recommend is to go over to the control panel, select the sound category, and in here switch over to the recording devices. You should find your microphone here, and you have to make sure that it is enabled and that you set it as the default device. If you don't see it here, right click, show disabled devices, and show disconnected devices. It should now appear. If it still doesn't appear, that means that it is not being recognized by Windows, so you have to plug it into a different USB port or switch microphones altogether. But as long as you find it here, you enable the microphone, it should be good to go. So set it as the default device and afterwards restart the game. By restarting the game and making sure that your microphone has been connected and properly detected, you should be good to go to fix game chat on Hell Let Loose. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix game chat in Hell Let Loose. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.